In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your domains in Wix, particularly focusing on buying a new domain or connecting an existing one. We'll explore the steps to update your primary domain settings to ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's begin by navigating to the Wix dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your Wix site. It's the starting point for all the adjustments you'll make. Once you're in the dashboard, look towards the left side where you'll see a sidebar menu. Click on Settings. This section allows you to control various aspects of your website's configuration, from basic site details to more intricate options such as domains. Now, once you're in the settings, look for the Domains option. This is your gateway to managing your existing domains or acquiring new ones. Clicking on Domains will lead you to a page that outlines all domain-related features. It's straightforward and user-friendly, designed to make it easy even for beginners to navigate through the process. Here, you will encounter two main paths: buying a new domain or connecting another domain you already own. If you're looking to purchase a new domain, click Buy New Domain. This option presents you with a variety of domain name choices and extensions. You'll want to ensure that the domain you choose reflects your brand or website's purpose effectively. Take your time to select a name that's catchy, easy to remember, and relevant to your content. On the other hand, if you're connecting a domain you already own from another provider, choose Connect Domain You Already Own. This is useful when you're migrating an existing site to Wix's platform but wish to retain your current domain. You'll be prompted to follow a series of instructions. Generally, it involves configuring DNS settings with your domain registrar to point to Wix's servers. Ensure this is done correctly to avoid any connectivity issues. After you've either purchased a new domain or connected your existing one, the next crucial step is updating your primary domain setting. This determines the main address visitors will see when they land on your site. In the domain section, you'll find an option for setting the primary domain. Select this and choose the domain you wish to make primary. Confirm your choice, and Wix will handle the rest. Having your primary domain set correctly is vital for SEO and provides a consistent brand image to your visitors. And there you go! By following these steps, you've efficiently managed your domains within Wix. You can rest easy knowing your site is now properly aligned with the domain of your choice, whether new or existing. The process is streamlined to ensure you can focus on what matters most: creating and sharing amazing content. Thank you for tuning in today, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification. See you in the next video.